In this video, I will guide you on how to set any air conditioner on heating mode. Over here, I do have a TCL air conditioner remote control, but this will work out for any model or brand of AC remote control you have. Now, first things first, you want to make sure you set your AC to heating mode using the remote control. So locate the mode button on your AC remote control. Mine is over here. Yours can be anywhere around the remote control, but it will usually be labeled mode. And by default, it should be in the cooling mode, but you want to continuously tap on the mode button until you get to the heating mode, which is usually represented with a sun icon. So mine is currently in the cooling mode, and if I tap on the mode button, it goes to the dry mode, as you can see over there. And then tap on it again, it goes to the fan mode. Then if I tap on it again, it now goes to the heating mode, and you can see the sun icon over here. You should be able to differentiate the fan mode from the heating mode. So basically, for the fan mode, you're going to see a fan icon like this over here, but then if you tap on it again, you should get to the heating mode with the sun icon. And this is always the same for most ACs. So once you get to the heating mode, you're good to go. You also want to make sure you adjust the heating mode using the temperature up and down button. In some AC remote control, you're going to see the temp up or temp down, but in my case, it is just this arrow up and arrow down button. So what you just want to do is to adjust the temperature depending on your need, and keep in mind that by reducing the temperature, you're actually getting a lower heating mode. And if you want a higher heat temperature, you want to just use the temp up or temperature up button to increase it all the way up to 30. Once you're able to adjust it according to your need, another thing you want to do is to adjust the fan speed, and this determines the flow of the warm air into your room. So mine currently has my fan speed at the highest, but then usually you want to look for the fan speed or just fan depending on your AC remote control, and then just tap on it until you get to the highest fan speed. So continue to tap on it. It should go into auto. Once you continue to tap on it, you should be able to get to the highest fan speed level, which is the 5th one in my case over here. And finally, once you're able to adjust all of these, you should have properly set your air conditioner for heating. And I hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.